Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. Today I am going to suggest a best ever opportunity of internship, but firstly a request to watch this video till last because I am going to reveal many important things in various parts of this video. Now let's start this video. These various internship provided by Inside Sherpa with the initiative of Virtual Work Experience Program. In this, you can see many of the internship by top MNCs and companies which are free. Now let's look about it. A virtual work experience program contains modules of tasks from the different divisions of the company you choose. So here there is no quizzes, so it's easy to get certificate here. Over 3 lakhs students already registered in this, and these certificates which you get here makes your resume very attractive, very effective. To get this internship, only a simple sign up required, and this is self-placed internship offers, and also there is no prerequisite knowledge required. And here are the various internship offers. Firstly, Global Introduction, second by BCG, and third by one of the American top company JP Morgan. And here Accenture you know it is very big consultancy company. Then Citi, you know the Citi provide a credit card or debit card. KPMG, ANZ, Australia and New Zealand Bank, Deloitte, Commonwealth Bank, and many other companies provided a free internship offers. And after the successful completion of internship, you also have a choice to apply for a job on that company. And here is the first one which I choose is JP Morgan's company's software engineering virtual experience. JP Morgan's net worth is 2.6 trillion US dollar. So you can imagine how much important this internship is. What is the key benefits? You get a certificate of completion, no application required, and self-placed course. If you apply for job or summer internship offer, then you will prioritize from others. So here we are going to see much more about this course. Be seen by JP Morgan Chase. All the activities are seen by JP Morgan. Make your CV LinkedIn stand out. Do it your own time. Be shortlisted for exclusive opportunities. These are the things which attract me to choose this, and these are the tasks. There are 4 tasks here. Here is the first one, interface with a stock. Second is use JP Morgan Chase framework. Third is display data, and fourth is bonus task. That is optional. If you want, then you can. Now I'm going to register. How to register? You can see here. You can simply sign up with Google or you can sign up with email. I am going to sign up with Google. More information like your university name or a college name, your current degree, means the course you are pursuing in the university or a college. How did you hear about us? Then you can choose any of these as like I chosen, and here you can continue. And then here why you choose this, because of certificate or a skill development or other, I choose skill development. And what is your priority for recommendation in future? So here I choose CSIT. And then what is your time period of completion of BTech degree? You can choose it as your own. And what is your center? And then move ahead. And now there are some more questions by which JP Morgan company knows about you, about your choices. So you can choose here some of the options. You can confuse if you doesn't see here. So make sure there is no confusion left over. And also I'm going to put the task answers, means there are 3 tasks. I put all the tasks. You can copy from there and you get this certificate in just 5 minutes. You can take the handsome certificate from here and also make your resume more effective and attractive. Thank you for watching.